Hello everyone. Today we are going to cook a very simple dish. Here we have food items that we're going to cook. First, we are going to cook uh, stir fry. We're going to have a boil, and we're going to have mushroom curry, and also side dish like a simple chutney with garlic chives. And so I hope this vegetables items that we are going to make will be very tasty, and also it's going to be very healthy. It's all nutritious food here. We have all the colors. We have peppers. We have bitter eggplant, we have bamboo shoot, we have cherry tomatoes and mushroom, carrot, beans, broccoli, and all the nutritious food included. For the first, we will start off with the rice. We're going to cook rice. Very simple way. We'll wash the rice. Okay, when the rice is still being cooked, we are going to wash this vegetable first. For the stir fry, I'm going to half steam carrot and beans first, and then when the carrot and beans is a little cooked, then I will add this broccoli. This is the water a little bit, and then I'll put this one. I'll put this vegetable here, steam. And then I will cover it. Meanwhile, the vegetables are still steaming. We can prepare for the vegetable boils. We'll start off with the potatoes. We have 2 potatoes. I'm going to peel the potatoes. Next, we will put it into half to see if the worms are there inside. So this is very clean and fresh. So all these vegetables are washed, and these are all for boil. I will start off with this potatoes. I will just cut. Okay, now the vegetable is half boiled or a little bit boiled, so I'm going to add this broccoli a little bit. So we'll chop the garlic small. Now the vegetable steam is ready. Let's check on the vegetable boil. This is called Szechuan leaf. So I will put this one, and this is the garlic chives put in, and some of this wild dhania I will just peel in this way, and we'll add it. Now we'll add the cherry tomatoes. Now I'll put this mushroom. we have here dry soybean, fermented soybean, just for taste, not much. We'll wait till all the vegetables are cooked. So now the rice is ready, the vegetable steam is ready. Meanwhile, we are going to make this mushroom curry. So we will start off with this one. We will wash this mushroom and the tomatoes. So I'll put a little bit of the cilantro and this is done. The curry is done. Now we're going to start with this mushroom curry. I'll put around 2-3 bay leaves, onions. So I'm going to add the garlic. Once the garlic is cooked, I will add little ginger, half of the ginger and half I will put towards the end. Yellow powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, chili flakes, I'm going to add this tomato, cover and wait for some time. Now we're going to make the garlic oil, round about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Lower the flame to let the oil a little bit cool. So, oil is a little bit cool. We'll check on the tomatoes and add the salt. Add this mushroom to it. Half of the remaining ginger. This is for the aroma. I'll put a little bit of water. Okay, now the mushroom curry is done. I will put a little bit of thyme. We're going to start with the stir fry. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, not much oil. So now I'm going to put onion, pepper, black pepper here, and salt. Add in all these 3 vegetables together. Now the garlic oil that I have done, I'll be putting a little bit. Even the garlic also we can put. It tastes very good, the fried garlic. The last item is the chutney. I'm going to use this king chili and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt so that it'll be easier to grind. So I'm going to put this dry soybean, put the chives, now the food is ready. Okay, now the items The food items that we were preparing are done. So this is the rice that we have cooked, and I'm going to serve the vegetable boil. So this is the vegetable boils. We have the chutney here. And this is the mushroom curry. And the vegetable stir fry. So here we have a colorful and a healthy food. So let us enjoy what God has provided and live healthy. Let us praise God for His goodness.